suppose not. If choosing between partners was like picking investments, everyone's gonna be eyeing that hot property with great assets. Just like in dating, the first rule of commercial real estate investing is knowing what you're getting into. Welcome back to ECMP Studios. I'm your host, Amit Grover, and today we're diving into how understanding the investment value approach can either make or break your real estate game. Let's talk number one, understanding personal worth versus market value. Investment value differs from market value in that it focuses on what a property is worth to you personally as an investor. Now, this is crucial because each investor has unique financial goals and risk tolerances. For instance, if your goal is to generate passive income, a property with long-term, stable tenants might be more valuable to you than a fixer-upper with higher potential but also higher risk. Number two, aligning investments with financial goals. Now, first of all, start by defining your investment objectives. Are you really in this for quick capital gains, or do you prefer earning through steady rental income decisions? This decision will guide your property selection process. If your focus is really on appreciation, consider properties in emerging neighborhoods. However, if income is your priority instead, look for those properties in established areas with existing tenant leases. Number three, the importance of a tailored investment strategy. Just like finding the right partner in a crowded room, identifying the right property requires knowing what suits you best. This involves not just understanding the current performance of the property, but also projecting its future potential based on your personal investment strategy. As we move forward, we're going to explore how different valuation approaches like sales, cost, and income, how can they provide a fuller picture of a property's potential. Think of these approaches as different dating apps, each offering unique insight into your investment matches. I would love for you to engage with us. What are your key considerations when evaluating a property? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're eager to see how these valuation methods stack up, you definitely don't want to miss out on our next episode. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights here at ECMP Studios. Investing in real estate isn't just about money. It's about creating value that resonates with your personal financial story. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay